All right, today we're trying to calculate the concentration in micrograms per milliliter if a concentration of a solution is 0.0658 grams per 2.5 liters. So first, we want to identify explicitly what we want, right? Which we're looking for units of microgram per milliliter. And what we're given to work with is a concentration of 0.0658 grams per 2.5 liters. So we want to identify our conversion factors. We need a way to get from grams to micrograms, and we need a way to get from liters to milliliters. Now, when we notice that the conversions have the same base units, in this case grams to micrograms and liters to milliliters, we can use just the definition of the prefix as our conversion factors. So what does that mean? Well, we know that a microgram is 10 to the negative 6, so that means 1 microgram is equal to 10 to the negative 6 grams, and we know that milli is equal to 10 to the negative 3, so 1 milliliter is equal to 10 to the negative 3 liters. All right, now we have ways to convert from grams to micrograms and liters to milliliters, so let's go ahead and just set up our work. We can start with the given amount, the 0.0658 grams per 2 liters. Now it doesn't matter if I start with converting the grams to micrograms or liters to milliliters first. I'm going to start just with doing the 1 microgram and getting rid of 10 to the negative 6, getting rid of the grams. Remember, you want to set the units up so grams over grams reduces to 1, or like we say, cancels out. That will give us units of micrograms. Now, all we need to do is get units of milliliters, so I'm going to keep going with this equation. I'm going to do another times, and I'm going to convert the liters. I want to get rid of the liters, so I want to put, since liters are on the bottom in the given concentration, I'm going to put my liter unit on top, so that's going to be 10 to the negative 3 liters over 1 milliliter. Now my liters over liters goes away. I'm left with units of milliliters. And I can just take this whole equation, plug it straight into my calculator. So I'll give you 1 second to try to do that. And if you got what I got, you should get 26.32 micrograms per milliliter. Now, right now, let's just watch at our sig figs. My calculator gave me was 26.32, but my given concentration really is only to about 2 sig figs here. So I would probably want to round that to 26 micrograms per milliliter.